When we're enjoying calligraphy, it can be easy to forget about looking after nibs. I'm sure many calligraphers will have nibs like this one in their nib box. Can you see that it's completely rusted all the way along here? This is the part of the nib that goes inside the pen holder. The reason it's so rusty is because I didn't look after it properly and I allowed water to get inside the pen holder. If you've got a nib that's rusty like that, you'll only be able to get it out of the pen holder again with pliers, and then you've really ruined your nib. So the best way to look after nibs and avoid this rust is to keep them dry, clean and dry. So all you need is a pot of water and a cotton rag. When you're washing the nib, only dip the actual nib into the water, not the whole shaft, because you only want to clean the nib and the reservoir, not get water into the shaft. So I'm just going to dip the pen into the water, and the only part that I've got wet is the reservoir and the nib. I'm then going to take my piece of cotton rag and I'm going to dry the nib, and I'm going to take the reservoir off and dry the reservoir separately before I put it back onto the nib. In an ideal world, we'd all take our nibs out of our pen holders and store them separately, but many calligraphers don't do that, and so if you're going to store your nibs in your pen holders, then make sure that they're clean and dry.